12 participants who have joined, and all of them are doctor.
Right.
Yes,
Right.
correct. So it's great afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and most of the time we have an OPD where people are coming to us with the concept with complaints of pain. And you all are pursuing fellowship in a pain. So before we jump into directly management, we need to understand what exactly is causing this pain.
Pain management is the medical approach to relieving or controlling pain using medicines, therapies, and interventions. Its goal is to reduce suffering, improve function, and enhance quality of life.
What is exactly pain? Pain has been most common symptom. Let me start Anushan because it will be difficult for you to read each and everything, and I don't want you to read. Okay, this is only for your purpose. You are going to get slides and recording. I want you to understand the concept. So there is a beautiful book written by Robert Tycross, and he described pain is one of the most common and feared symptom. Okay, it's the most common and feared symptom given by patient. Okay. Small amount of pain is taken as a negative impact on patient's functional status, and any presence of pain or negative symptom will be affecting quality of life in every fashion.
Pain is an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage, mediated by nociceptive pathways. It serves as a protective mechanism, alerting the body to injury or disease.
Maybe you undiagnose it, maybe you misdiagnose it, maybe just overdiagnosis. Everything is going to affect the quality of life of that patient, and hence what we need to know is we need to know the pathophysiology of this pain, how to carry out assessment, what approaches will be there for the therapeutic management of chronic pain, then various modalities which we can use, and then pharmacological methods which can be incorporated with the lifestyles and physiotherapy to just decrease that pain. Okay, so that is pain. Pain is something which is reported by patient as a discomfort. Whatever the patient is saying that it hurts, it is a pain for him. Okay, so that significantly affecting quality of life is pain for us. And the definition, widely used definition is whatever the patient says that it is a pain, yes, you have to accept it. Okay?
Like this demo class? Join MGA today and enroll now. Choose from 150 plus fellowship courses designed to boost your medical career.